Hi, I'm Eric from Brook Anco Corporation, and today I'm going to show you our new product that's exclusive to Brook Anco. This is the Motic Panthera TEC MAD Microscope, configured with bright dark objectives, CT5 Jenoptik camera, and we have it packaged with our I-Solution Lite analysis software. The microscope has a 6x4 stage on it. Has transmitted and reflected light, and has a light tracer which will keep your light settings as you advance through the objectives. Comes with 10x eyepieces, a 0-100 Erect image head, and is a complete turnkey package for your analysis needs. So unique to this microscope, this epi illuminator has bright field, dark field, and in the dark field setting has a segmented illumination, and you can rotate the direction of the oblique lighting in the dark field option. So this package comes with I-Solution Lite and has annotation, measurement capabilities. We can put a scale bar down and have that captured with the picture, and work for all of your analysis needs. We can save calibrations, and this is a complete turnkey package. Visit our website at brookanco.com or email us at sales@brookanco for all your metrology and measuring needs.